Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the Mazda and your phone. Plug in with a high-quality USB cable and unlock the phone. This forces the connection handshake. Once done, enable Android Auto or CarPlay in settings on your phone and in the Mazda system under Connections. Make sure Bluetooth is on for discovery, but the USB link carries navigation data. You do this now so the head unit recognizes the phone immediately and you can proceed without retrying later. You now connect fully and configure apps on the Mazda display. After picking Android Auto or CarPlay on the head unit, respond to permission prompts on the phone. You must allow location and media access so maps can route and speak directions. Once paired, open Google Maps through the car interface and set it as default navigation if prompted. Make sure voice guidance volume is audible. Adjust the car audio source so navigation prompts are not muted during media playback. You finish by testing a short route to confirm everything works. Enter a destination and listen for turn-by-turn prompts while watching the map on the Mazda screen. If prompts are missing or the map won't display, restart the phone and the car, then reconnect using a different USB port or cable. If problems persist, update the infotainment firmware or reset its network and app settings. Doing that clears stale pairings and often resolves persistent connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.